Dear students, today is the third day of this chapter. We have already discussed distance formula. Today we are going to discuss a new formula that is called section formula. So before we understand what is section formula, let us discuss. Suppose you are given 2 points on the plane A whose coordinates are x1, y1 and another point B whose coordinates are x2, y2. Now if you connect these 2 points, you will get a line segment. Now line segment is, suppose this line segment is divided by 2 parts. Section means parts of a division. Suppose this line segment AB is divided by 2 parts. How can it be divided by 2 parts? Now if you take a point P, now you will have AB has 2 parts. AB has 2 parts. First part is A to P. The second part is P to B. So now that is called the section of AB. Section means parts of division. Okay. So now AP by PB. AP by PB is called the ratio. Ratio means the division of AP and the division of PB is called the ratio. Means AP by PB is called the ratio made by the point P. So this is M and N. Let the ratio be represented by the formula. Let the ratio represented by M is to N. So here, what is the thing? Now you will be given the coordinates of x1, y1 and x2, y2 and a ratio will be given, and you can find the coordinates of point P which is not given. तुमको A रो कोऑर्डिनेट्स देइथिबो, B रो कोऑर्डिनेट्स देइथिबो, जो पॉइंट द्वारा ये लाइन सेगमेंट गोटे रेशियो रे डिवीजन हेइथिबो से रेशियो भी देइथिबो. तुमको पचरा जाइथिबो P रो कोऑर्डिनेट्स केते. मु आउ थरे कहि दउची, तुमको गोटे लाइन सेगमेंट AB देइथिबो, A रो कोऑर्डिनेट्स तुमको देइथबो, B रो कोऑर्डिनेट्स मध्य देइथिबो. ये जो लाइन AB टा गोटे पॉइंट द्वारा दीटा पार्ट्स रे डिवाइड हेइथिबो, तार रेशियो मध्य देइथिबो M:N रेशियो देइथिबो. तुमको कहैतो व्हाट इज द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ P. आम पाखरे देयर इज ए फॉर्मूला टू ऑब्टेन द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द पॉइंट P. जो पॉइंटटा गोटे लाइन सेगमेंट को दीटा पार्ट रे डिवाइड करिथिबो किछि रेशियो रे, से पॉइंट रो कोऑर्डिनेट्स आमे पाइबा पाई हेले गोटे फॉर्मूला अछि. से फॉर्मूलाटा होची x कोऑर्डिनेट फॉर्मूला होची mx2 प्लस nx1 बाय m प्लस n. यही फॉर्मूलाटा को आमे नबा x कोऑर्डिनेट काढिबा पाई. सेमति y कोऑर्डिनेट काढिबा पाई फॉर्मूला हला my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, and these two formula is called the section formula. What do you say? These two formulas are called section formula. Clear now? तुमको गोटे कौन ना गोटे लाइन सेगमेंट देइथिबो, लाइन सेगमेंट दीटार एंड पॉइंट A आउ B रो कोऑर्डिनेट्स तुमको देइथिबो. गोटे पॉइंट कौन करथिबो, ये लाइन सेगमेंट द होल लाइन सेगमेंट AB को दीटा पार्ट्स रे डिवाइड करिथिबो सम रेशियो ढाला M:N. तुमको पचरा जीवो जे ये P रो कोऑर्डिनेट्स टा केते. तेणु ये P रो कोऑर्डिनेट्स कैलकुलेट करिया पई गोटे फार्मूला डेवलप कराइछि. से फार्मूलाटार ना होछि कोन ना सेक्शन फॉर्मूला ताले से फॉर्मूलाटा कौन ना से जो पॉइंट द्वारा जो दीटा पार्ट्स रे डिवीजन होइछि से पॉइंट रे एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट फॉर्मूला ला mx2 + nx1 / m + n आउ तार y कोऑर्डिनेट काढिया पई हेले my2 + ny1 / m + n मु आउ थे रिपीट कर तुम कौन कौन इठी देइथिबो ना ये जो लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी देइथिबो तार कोऑर्डिनेट्स एंड पॉइंट्स ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ एंड पॉइंट्स देइथिबो x1 y1 देइथिबो x2 y2 देइथिबो रेशियो m आउ n देइथिबो तुमको पचातो व्हाट इज द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ p से तार कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ p पाया पई हेले हमें x कोऑर्डिनेट काढिबा y कोऑर्डिनेट काढिबा तबर से पॉइंट को हमें जानी पारिबा सेति पई मोटे क्वेश्चन टे नउची टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड क्वेश्चन हला फाइंड द coordinates of the point which divides the line joining the points 4, -3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1. So here you see what is the thing given here. Now one line segment is given which connects the 2 points 4, -3, 8, 5. Our ratio m/n is given. So let us represent this question in a diagram figure. So now let us represent. First of all, you take one line segment. Take here a, what is the coordinates 4, -3. B, what is the coordinates 8, 5, and take a point. What is the ratio given 3:1 means this is 3, this is 1. So now you write the formula right here by the section formula x coordinate is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So this is equal to, in place of m, what is the value of m? This is called m, this is called n, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So in place of m you write 3, this is m 3, x2 means this is 8 into 8 plus n means 1 into x1 means 4 divided by 3 plus 1. So that is equal to 24 plus 4, that is by 4, that is 28 by 4, that is equal to 7. So y coordinate is equal to formula my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Clear? So that is equal to m means this is called m. So in place of m you write 3 into, what is y2? y2 means this is 5 is called y2. So 3 into 5 plus n means 1, this is called n 1. What is y1? -3. So you write in bracket divided by m plus n means 3 plus 1. 5 3 ja 15 -3 by 4. So 12 by 4, that is equal to 3. So you got, what is the x coordinate you got? Now 7. What is the y coordinate? 3. So therefore p is equal to 7, 3. Clear now? So this is the your. Now you go for the second question. The same question you take it. Find the coordinates of the point. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line joining the points -1 7 and 4 -3 in the ratio 2:3. Here also one line is given which connects the points -1 7 and 4 and -3. Ratio means m is to n. This is m, this is n, means m equals to 2, n equals to 3. So let us represent this question in the diagram. First of all, you take a line segment, write here a, that is -1 7, this is b 4 -3. Take one point, that is ratio is 2:3, means the first part will be small part. You take here p, that will be greater, that you take a 2, this is 3, means m value 2, n value 3, x1 is -1, y1 is 7, x2 is 4, y2 is -3. Okay, so now you use the section formula. What is the x coordinate? X coordinate of the point P equals to formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So this is equal to, what is m? This is the m, 2 into, what is x2? This is x2, 4 is x2, right here 4, plus what is n? 3, right here 3, into, what is x1? -1, divided by 2 plus 3. So that is 2 4 ja how much? 8. 3 minus 1 ja 3 by 5. So 5 by 5 equals to 1. So you got the x coordinate of a P. Similarly, you go for the y coordinate of a P. Y coordinate of P equals to formula my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. That is equal to, what is m? M is 2, right, 2, into, what is y2? Y2 is means -3, right here -3, plus what is n? 3 is n, right here 3. What is y1? That is the 7, divided by 2 plus 3. So now what is the answer? -6 plus 21 by 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 15 by 5, that is equal to 3. So therefore required coordinates of the point P is equal to, what is the x coordinate? 1, right here 1. What is the y coordinate? 3, right here 3. Clear now? So now we will extend this formula in different questions to solve some questions. Let us have some other different types of questions, very important questions, that is, find the coordinates of the points of a trisection, of the line joining the points 4 -1 and -2 -3. Clear now? Here question says that you are going to calculate the points of a trisection. What do you mean by trisections? Means a line is divided equally 3 parts. So how to represent this question in the diagram? Now one line is given. This name is A. This is 4 -1. This is -2 -3. And this, the whole line AB is divided in equally 3 parts. So how many points you have to take? 2 points you have to take here. One is P and one is Q. Clear? So for the point P, what is the ratio? AP and PB, the division. For the point Q, what is the division? AQ and QB. Clear? Once again I tell you. Now equally divided 3 parts, AP, PQ, QB. All 3 parts are equal. So that's why we took 2 points on the line AB. So for the point P, what is the division of the line? AP and PB. For the point Q, what is the division of the line? AQ and QB. So you are asked to calculate coordinates of P and coordinates of Q. So here to obtain the coordinates of P, the ratio will be 1, and to get the coordinates of Q, the ratio will be, okay. So you have to write here P divides AB in the ratio. What is the ratio? This is 1, and how many parts here? 1, 2 parts, means 1:2. Clear now? P divides the ratio. You see here, P means that is 1 part, equally 3 parts, 1 part, and rest how many parts are there? 1, 2. So 1:2. Similarly, Q divides AB. Q divides AB in the ratio. Further, Q means how many parts it is? 2 parts, and that's it. 1 part means 2:1. So now you got the ratio for the point P, and for the point Q you can get the coordinates. You write here x coordinate of a P. X coordinate of P equals to formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So that is equal to, for this m you have to choose 1, that is 1, because we are going to calculate P. For P, this is the ratio, okay. You cannot take this one, this is for Q. So 1 into x2. What is the x2 here? -2. Right here, as it is negative, put in bracket, plus n. N means what? Tell me. 2. Write 2 into, what is x1? 4. Write 4. Divided by, ratio is 1 plus 2. So that is equal to -2 into 1, -2 plus 4 to 8 by 3. So that is equal to 5. 8 minus 2 means that is 6 by 3, that is equal to 2. You got the x coordinate of P. Then you go for the y coordinate of P. Y coordinate of P. Formula, the same formula, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So what is m? M is 1 into, what is y2? Y2 means -3 plus, what is n? 2 into, what is y1? Y1 means this is -1 divided by 1 plus 2. So that is equal to -3 minus 2 by 3. So that is equal to -5 by 3. You got P. So now again you go for the x coordinate of Q. X coordinate of Q, the same formula, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So that is, but for the point Q, the ratio will be this one. That's why we have already separately written. So what is the m value? 2. What is the n value? 1. So write here 2 into, what is x2? X2 is how much? -2 plus 1 into, what is x1? 4 divided by 2 plus 1, that is -4 plus 4 divided by 3, that is 0 by 3 equal to 0. So you write y coordinate of a Q. So that is equal to formula, same formula, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So that is equal to, m means 2, this is the m for the point, into y2. What is y2 here? Y2 means -3, right here -3 plus 1 into, what is y1? This is -1 divided by 2 plus 1. So what is the answer now here? 2 minus 3 minus 6 minus 1 by 3, that is -7 by 3. So therefore, what is P? P x coordinate how much? 2. Y coordinate -5 by 3. Write it, 2 minus 5 by 3. And Q equals to, what is 0, and what is it? -7 by 3. Clear now, student? So now here one more questions. The same section formula here. Ratio will not be given. We have to calculate the ratio. Number 4. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points joining the points -3, 10 and 6 minus 8 divided by the point -1, 6. Clear? Here you see in previous question ratio was given, but here we are asked ratio. Here we are asked to find the ratio. Here you see the one line is given and this line is divided by the point, this one. The point is already given. So now let us represent this diagram. Let us represent this question in a diagram. This is the A, whose coordinates are -3, 10. This is B, 6 minus 8. Now take here point P, -1 and 6. So you are asked to calculate the ratio. First you write, let the ratio be m is to n. When this is m, this is n. So you have to use the section formula. Here both values are given, x coordinate given, y coordinate. You can take any one. X coordinate of P equals to formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So this value is given or not? Yes, this value is given, that is -1. So this becomes an equation. So now write here -1 is equal, what is m? M is not given. What is x2? X2 is 6 plus what is n? N is not given. What is x1? -3 by m plus n. So this implies, now you go for cross, -1 into m plus n is equal to 6m minus 3n. So now multiply -m minus n, 6m minus 3n. You bring 6m that side, minus m minus n, minus 6m plus 3n equals to 0. All terms you bring that side. Now arrange, -m minus 6m minus n plus 3n equals to 0. So -7m plus 2n equals to 0. So now take 2n that sides, -7m equals to -2n. So both sides minus cancel. What is left? 7m equals to 2n. So students, remember our ratio is written by m by n. So how can you make m by n? Divide this n, you bring that side, 7 you take that side. Means m by n is equal to 7 will go that side. N is brought to the left hand side and 7 will go that side. That means 2 by 7. So therefore required ratio is 2:7. Clear now? So by that method you can also find the ratio. So now go for another question. In what ratio does the point x minus 6 divide the line joining the points -6, 10 and 3 minus 8. Also find x. Here also we are asked to calculate the ratio, but point is given, but x coordinate is not given, but y coordinate is given. Let us represent this one in a diagram. So take one point, this is A, -6, 10, this is B, 3 minus 8. It is divided by the point P, x minus 6. Let the ratio be m is to n. Let the ratio be m is to n. So here to get the ratio, you cannot take the x coordinate of P formula. because it is unknown. Ratio is unknown, this is unknown, so you cannot take. So we have to consider first y coordinate. Be wise students, मन रख ये टिके आम वाइज होगा पड़ो. आम जो एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पी रो नहीं कि रेशियो काढ़ा काढ़ी पारे कारण आम रेशियो जना ना पुणी ये एक्स रो वैल्यू जना ना तेणु आम वाई कोऑर्डिनेट नहीं कि करवा. वाई कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पी, वाई कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पी फॉर्मूला इज my2 प्लस ny1 बाय m प्लस n. एटार वैल्यू देइछि कि हाँ देइछि केते ना -6. तेणु आम जेहेतु बाँ पटू स्टार्ट कले इम्प्लाई चिन्ह देले -6 इज इक्वल एम. एम तो देई नाही. y2 केते अछि ना -8 लेख -8 जेहेतु नेगेटिव ब्रैकेट देली प्लस n इंटू y1 केते हला 10 डिवाइडेड बाय m प्लस n. सो आम क्रॉस करबा बे -6 इंटू m प्लस n equals to -8m plus 10n. So now multiply -6m minus 6n. That term you bring that side. That will be plus 8m minus 10n equals to 0. So now arrange -6m minus 8m, plus 8m minus 6n minus 10n equals to 0. So it becomes what? Only positive 2m. That will be minus 16n equals to 0. ताले 2m equals to how much? 16n. n you brought, ताले it will be m by n. This 2 goes that at 16 by 2. So now what the answer will be? 2 cancel. So m by n equals to 8 by 1. So required ratio. So required ratio is 8:1. Now again we are asked to calculate what is the x. So we have to take another for x coordinate of p. X coordinate of p formula equals to m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n. x coordinate of p देइछि ना देइ नाही किंतु गोटे वेरिएबल रे सेटा देइछि. तो आम एठी जेहेतु लेफ्ट साइड स्टार्ट कर इम्प्लाई चिन्ह देले x is equal to what is m, already ratio given here m 8 into what is x2. x2 is 3, write here 3, so write 3 here, plus n means 1 into what is x1 minus 6, write minus 6 by what is the ratio 8:1 means 8 plus 1. So write this implies x is equal to 24 minus 6 by 9. So x is equal to means 18 by 9. So x is equal to 2. So therefore what is the ratio? Required ratio is 8:1. This you obtained, okay, and x is equal to 2. Students, you remember that here to get the ratio आमको ये टिके वाइज होगा पड़ो, टिके क्लेवर होगा पड़ो. ये जदि x कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ p को लेकिन जाई थांते जदि मन एटा अननोन एपटे m आउ n अननोन थले करि न थांता. ये -6 टा जना वैल्यू तुम नेले एटा ये टिके आमको क्लेवर होगा पड़ो. थैंक यू.